Hello, this is Shashwat Gangopadhyay from India. First of all, take my compliments from my motherland. I write in Bengali, which is the fourth largest language of the world, and as per UNESCO, it is the sweetest language. Now I am reading few of my poems in English translation. Ballad on Estrangement. You are not easily available, for me very tough to meet you. On the Nilgiri mountain, Kurinji flowers blooming in autumn, every 12 years gap, you resemble the very identical species. You have bloomed once again during this season all over the valley. Those suffering from leprosy assemble there and believe that they will be cured if they paste grinding petals of a rare species like you on their wounds. All their old maladies will be gone for good. Following the equator, I have also come here. We are belonging to the same planet but rarely meeting each other. I will climb to search you using the worn out staircase through mist. I will lie down tiringly on the notch of a stone you just cast off upon my body. Open your petals from head to the fingers of your two legs. Let the storm dash out. If you put your lips on, you are the sanatorium to me, the secret panacea. Next poem, Leopard. In fact, I am a leopard, my craze being to hunt the prey who is unprotected and where I search for whose intimacy with such a friend, that young boy when standing before looks more sexy even than God, on chin full of beards, and on that soft hairs plays quiet smooth wind. I gave her an evil omen. The girl heard that foreboding. After that, leaving her companion and having the smell of my body, she has come with her face down on her chin. I unfasten my palm, not palm even, as if black hole. Suddenly it will drag one into a hollow pit. Just raise your eyes to look. Yes, I am that man whom you on the night of fantasy demolished in your own way with caresses and wounds. Have you identified me? I have acquainted with you since long time back. If I am a leopard, then you are a she-leopard in reality. Next poem, Rhododendron Cafe. A deserted hilly pit. Common people say it's a suicide point. Frozen clouds float layers after layers. Beside, there is a cafe, not famous, made out of raw woods that emits vapors. Here towards afternoon there will be our unexpected chance meeting. Winter sunshine is spread all over, colored like Dettol. Both of us will be taken by surprise. There are so many scratchy wrinkles on both of our faces. There will be served local wine in bamboo containers, the husk of yeast and apple causing intoxication will gradually ascend upward the head like the poison of snake. On every table go on planchets of dear poets dead long ago. They are brought down silently by hooking their souls with a pole. Night will knock on the lobes of the ear, and here only our chat will go on face to face in the rest of our life. A day in a shopping mall. As soon as I push myself in through the glass door, two silky sylphs come, floating like the bubbles of water. Most welcome, sir. Just take this in your finger. This is the key to Trade Town, and walk with your trolley. All around there are so many tinsel offers displayed. If you get an item elsewhere less costly, you will get twice as much the margin. If you buy a bed sheet, your sleep at midnight is assured. In each of your eyelids will come wavy and foamy dose. If you purchase condom in bulk for the whole year, you will get 25% discount on each weekend tour. From leaping parts of my credit card, I see our joys and sorrows, smiles and tears, when I know not, are sold out like frozen fishes in the packet. It's beyond 9 o'clock. As night falls, lights are off. When coming out, few others whisper mildly, if you procure love in your hand, along with your deep sighs are free. Mobile phone. It's only in the pocket of a shirt as a snake sleeps well in the cane basket of a snake charmer. Off and on, it sounds sweet whistle after retiring from sleep, and I take it in my hand to see on its small beaming screen someone calling me in my nickname through misty fog, as if one of my friends of childhood days sending an aeroplane made of hand paper. Or when I get your SMS in a crowded bus, are you sure to come today, 6:15? I will be waiting with flashing light of a glowworm in my hand. Cold and wet wind comes to my two dry lips. As milk is deposited unseen in the branches of cactus, trickling drop by drop throughout the day, the very waiting of yours in the same way gets intensified. Gigolo. I watch him from a distance, the young guy standing at Free School Street with a hanky tied to his right hand. Tall in height, he appears to be a sailor unknown. Upon his deep blue t-shirt glows a shining line. If being sexy is a crime, arrest me soon. The girls beside measure him with an oblique look. Some of them lick their lips as if it's storm in the wild desert, where snakes crawls with hissing sounds. Such is blazing pain all over the pores of the body. Halogen flashing serially on the pavements, night descends, as if with endless froths from the corks of champagne. The night, which is also a woman fasting, beckoning the boy from inside of a black car, and then taking him in it, starts towards no destination. My last poem, A Little Mag, an advertisement. Whenever it is published, it should first of all contain a prose from whose every alphabet would emit would emit ashes of lava, brittle, endless, which will slowly engulf the contemporary Bengali poetry. After this, there would be a round table, a few young poets participating, as if an interview among some crickets, that will be printed intact as they are caught in a tape recorder. Immediately after, there are poems of those who are composing very recently. A poem of one each, nothing more, nothing less. But in each is traceable each one's quiver of heartbeat, ECG report separately identifiable. The last article is to include review of books in present issue and elderly poet who died long since 17 years ago is from that time onwards waiting for his rebirth. While reading him, the readers will come to feel that someone is opening the lid of the coffin and putting his hand upon the shoulder.